AITA for using my dishwasher as a storage space and still expecting my partner to do dishes. Long story short, I'm a little neurotic and don't think dishwashers are good for dishes. I also don't trust my partner to not put any of my nice kitchen stuff in the dishwasher that should be hand washed while I'm gone. My partner said, well, before we moved in together, that in our house he wants to be able to use the dishwasher, otherwise he won't do any dishes. So we move in together and I end up using the dishwasher to store shaker bottles and plastic items, and for the past several months have been washing all of his dishes by hand. I'm so tired of it though, and believe he can wash a few dishes every now and then to help me out. He points out that he already told me if he can't use the dishwasher he's not doing any dishes, but washing a dish by hand doesn't take long. I'm getting frustrated and I'm not sure who is in the wrong.